Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 21 from the chapter of properties of matter. The topic is the floatation of iceberg. So we all know what an iceberg is. So iceberg is a very big piece of an ice which is normally seen floating in the seawater. So the question here is an iceberg of volume V cubic meter floats in seawater of density 1050 kg per cubic meter. Find the density of the iceberg if only 10% of its volume is above the sea level. So, in the session number 19, we have learned about the laws of flotation, and in that session, we have learned that if a body is floating partially submerged, then the volume of the object inside the liquid multiplied by the density of liquid, this is equal to the total volume of the object, multiplied by the density of the object. So with the help of this equation, we will be able to find the density of the iceberg. So the volume of the object, here the object is the iceberg, inside the liquid is the seawater. So the volume of the iceberg which is inside the seawater is 90%. So 90% of V, because the total volume of the iceberg is V, which is, this will be equal to 90% of V will be equal to 0.9 V multiplied by the density of the liquid. So the density of the liquid here is the density of the seawater, which is equal to 1050 kg per cubic meter, and this is equal to the total volume of the object. Here the object is the iceberg. The total volume is V multiplied by the density of iceberg. So from here, the density of the iceberg this is equal to 1050 into 0.9. So this is equal to 1050 into 0.9. So this is equal to 945 kg per cubic meter. So the density of the iceberg is equal to 945 kg per cubic meter. So thank you for joining this session. Now in the next session, I will be coming up with again a different type of a question from the topic of laws of flotation. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.